Hello everyone, so happy Raksha Bandhan to all of my subscribers and friends. So today we'll be making a virtual Rakhi in HTML and CSS. So this is a virtual Rakhi that I have created using HTML and CSS as it is Raksha Bandhan today. So I thought of doing something special. So let's get started by doing this. First of all, as usual, you have to create two files, one HTML file and one CSS file in your art folder, because the rest of the projects that we did were in the art folder, so we'll continue from there only. And you're wondering how did I get this code. I've shown this a couple of times. Just press shift +1 and you'll get this exclamation mark. Now press enter again and boom, you get this code. Now you can type the title anything. Here I'm giving it Rakhi, and then I'm giving one div known as id main div. Inside this main div I'm going to be giving circle 1 so I'm going to copy this again 3 times. This is going to be circle 2, circle 3 and circle 4. Perfect. Now we need a line so that we can tie the Rakhi in our hand. So there's a line that we use known as thread. Div id needs to be line 2. Perfect. So this much HTML code, and now we do not need to write any HTML code. Now let's hop on our CSS file. So for the CSS code, first we need a background color. So body background color, sorry for that, powder blue. So powder blue looks good, that's why I always use this color. And I'm just going to refresh it. We need to connect our CSS file, link reel, style sheet, then herf rakhi1.css. Perfect. So we've got the background color that we need. Now let's get on to our Rakhi. So first main div. So for that I'm picking the color yellow because it will look good on our Rakhi. Yellow color. Width needs to be 300 px and height 300 px. Then you need to give it a border radius of 50%. 50%. And then position relative. So this is going to be our parent, because wherever this circle moves, everything should move with it. We do not need to align it again and again. That will be a time consuming process. So that's why I'm using this, and the rest of them is going to be absolute. So they are going to be the child of this circle. Give a margin left of 37% and margin top 10%. So you can see that this circle will appear. Now we need this blue circle inside of this yellow circle, so go for that. Circle 1, it needs to be background color blue, and the width needs to be 200 px, height needs to be 200 px, and border radius needs to be 50%. Position absolute. Now left 55 px, top 55 px. Perfect. So you can see that something like this will appear, and if this sizes is not fitting in your computer screen, so you can change their sizes according to your computer screen. And then I'm coding for the circle 2. circle 2. Okay, circle 2. Yeah, circle 2. Then background color needs to be white. Then width needs to be 150 px. HEIGHT width 50 px. Then border radius needs to be also 50%, as we need to make this a square, a circle. Then top 84 px, left 84 px. Yeah, perfect. Then we need to code our circle 3. And if you're assigning them with the class, remember you need to with them dot, and if you're calling them with the dot, they'll work, and if you're giving them ID, then use the hashtag to call them. Then background color needs to be red, and width 100 px, height 100 px, and border radius 50%. Position absolute, as I said, they are the childs of the main circle. Top 108 px, then left also 108 px. Yeah, perfect. And just a minute, I've not given the styling. Yeah, so this is the styling for our code, and then I'm just going to fix the white one that I've made. So the white one is this, that means circle 2, it should actually come inside of this red circle, should come inside of this. So I'm going to the main div, circle 2. Yeah, circle 2, the white thing. I'm going to bring its top over here, and okay, I've just forgot one thing to do with it, that is we have not given the position absolute, that's why it didn't work over there. Yeah, position absolute, now it's perfect. Then circle 4's code, here it is, circle 4 background color green, then the width 50 px, and the height needs to be 50 px. Yeah, and then we need to give the border radius, yeah, so yeah, border radius needs to be 50%, and 50% I've given it. Then position absolute, top 135 px, left 135 px. Yeah, perfect. Like this, you can see. Now we need to make these lines here, so I'm going to go to my line code, line 1, background color black, HEIGHT 10 px. You can remove the height if you don't want, but I want a little height, so I'm keeping this. Then position absolute, top 136 px, left 253 px. You can see that this line has come. Now I need to just copy and paste this, so it will save our time, and that is smart work. Now here the code remains same, only a few changes are needed to be implemented over here, that are the top needs to be 136, but the left needs to be 254, and I'm just going to, okay, we need to make the left a little bit going inside, so we'll just make it 250 and a little more. I guess I need that, so go to your line 2, a left little bit so that it touches it. Yeah, 243 minus 243. And so this is our Rakhi, and thanks for watching the video, and hope you like my channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment me down below that if you like this type of ideas, so I'll implement these with other festivals like Diwali or Holi. And comment me down also how many sisters you have. Bye bye.